This video I will tell you that how to change name on Facebook. So it is very simple. Tap on your profile image onto the top right here, and then tap on the settings icon onto the top right, and then tap on personal information, and then tap on name here. Okay, so just wait it so that it can load. Okay, so here you can see that I have my full name, which is Nauman Khan, and here you can see that you can't update your name because you have previously confirmed your current name. So I can't change my Facebook name because I verified my name with Facebook through my government issued ID. So once you confirm your name with Facebook, then you can't be able to change the name. But in your case, you will see here like three fields: first name, middle name, and last name. And you just have to erase the name that you have before, enter a new name, and then just tap on save option there, and your name will be changed on Facebook. But you have to keep in mind that you can only change your name once in 60 days, like in 2 months. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.